Assalamu alaikum guys. In today's video we are going to discuss about the difference between test, assessment, measurement and the evaluation. So you people have to watch the video till end. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. We are going to start now. The very first term is test. A test is a specific tool or instrument used to measure students' knowledge, skill, or performance in a particular area. So, test is actually a tool that is used to measure students' knowledge, skills, performance in a particular area. Means that there is a particular area you want to know about the knowledge of the student, the skills of the student in that particular area. For example, if you talk about a student, you have given a specific topic to a students and need to prepare for the test, and you are taking the test on that topic. So that is what your test, and you are talking about that test. Okay, it is not general, it is very specific. It usually consists of questions or tasks. When you give tasks to students and you finally check the task and what is the position, or you can say what is the situation of the student in this specific task, or you can ask questions in written form or in spoken form. You can do both. So this is what actually a test. For example, a grammar quiz or a math exam, both you can take the examples for a test. In short, we can say a test is a tool used to collect data about learning. Means that about a specific thing, and you are collecting the data about learning is called our test. Next is measurement. Measurement means the process of assigning numbers or scores to a student's performance on a test or task. For example, this is the next step. Means this is a kind of a, we can say, quantitative. It means you are assessing someone, and you are giving numbers or grades, we can say numbers or grades to the student, or the we can say the learner. This is what your measurement. uh, it qualifies learning how much a student has achieved. Means how much a student has achieved. It means that it is quantitative. Got it? For example, we are scoring 8 out of 10 on a spelling test is what your measurement. In short, we can say measurement is quantitative. It tells how much learning has occurred. This is our measurement. Third is assessment. Assessment is a broader concept that includes tests and other methods to gather information about students' learning progress. So assessment is a kind of broader concept that covers tests and also other methods to gather the information, or to know about the information about a student, about a learner's progress. So this is what our assessment. It involves both quantitative and qualitative. For example, sometimes we give the marks to the students, to give the grades to the students. These are what these come also in assessment. And also sometimes we give feedbacks to student. Observation, we observe the student. After observation, we give feedback to the students. This is what also an assessment we do. So assessment covers measurement and test, we can say both. Okay, so for example, teacher observations, assignments, presentations and a test. In short, we can say assessment is a process of gathering, analyzing and interpreting information to improve learning. Means assessment is actually the process of gathering information, analyzing information, we can say, or interpreting information to improve learning of a student. Evaluation. Evaluation is the process of making judgment or decisions based on the results of assessment and measurement. Now, evaluation is the last step, we can say, that is actually for decisions, we can say, making judgments based on the result of assessment and measurement. Means what was the result of assessment, what was the result of measurement. After that, you are taking the step that is called evaluation. It helps to determine the value, effectiveness, or quality of teaching and learning. Uh, we can say, for example, we can take the example a student, you have assess, you have measure, you have test the student, and after that you are going to take the decision that either the student can uh, proceed with or not. So this is what your evaluation. For example, deciding whether a student is ready to move to next grade, we can say, or whether a teaching method is effective, we have to check all these things in evaluation. In short, we can say evaluation is a judgment, or it tells how good the performance or program is. This is our evaluation. So we discussed today about test, measurement, assessment, and evaluation. All these are the very important topics for the teachers, and as well as for preparation for the Fpsc and all other teaching exams. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.